$1. That's it. Not $100, not 1,000, just $1 a day. An amount so small that most people wouldn't even notice it disappearing. It's less than a coffee, less than most snacks, less than what many people spend without thinking. And because the amount feels so small, most people assume it doesn't matter. But that's exactly where they make a mistake. Because when it comes to building wealth, small amounts repeated consistently can become surprisingly powerful. And the truth is, the real lesson behind investing $1 a day has very little to do with the dollar itself. Let's think about how most people view money. People often believe wealth starts with large amounts, a high-paying job, a successful business, a big investment. But wealth usually doesn't begin with money. It begins with habits. Because financial success is rarely built overnight, it's built through small decisions repeated for years. And investing $1 a day represents something important: consistency. Now, obviously, $1 alone won't make you rich tomorrow. If you invest $1 today, nothing dramatic happens. You won't wake up wealthy next week, and that's the reason most people ignore small investments. Human beings are wired to chase immediate results, fast progress, quick rewards. But investing works differently. The market rewards patience, not urgency, and patience is becoming increasingly rare. Imagine two people. The first person says, "It's only $1, it won't matter." The second person decides to invest that dollar every single day. At first, both people look exactly the same financially, but over time, something begins to change. The second person develops a habit, and habits are powerful because they scale. Someone who consistently invests $1 today is far more likely to invest $10 tomorrow, then $100, then even more. The habit matters more than the amount, because behavior creates wealth long before money does. This is where compounding enters the story. Compounding is what happens when your investments generate returns, and then those returns begin generating returns too. Over long periods of time, the growth accelerates. At first, it feels slow, almost invisible, but eventually the numbers become difficult to ignore. And this is why starting early matters so much, because time is what gives compounding its power, not necessarily the amount invested. Think about it. If someone starts investing small amounts at a young age, they often have a huge advantage over someone who waits years to start investing larger amounts. Why? Because the early investor gave their money more time to grow, more time to compound, more time to recover from mistakes. Time is the hidden multiplier most people underestimate. And unfortunately, it's the one thing nobody can get back. But here's the deeper lesson. Investing $1 a day changes the way you think. You stop seeing yourself only as a consumer and start seeing yourself as an owner. That's a major psychological shift, because most people spend their lives buying things. Very few spend their lives building ownership. Ownership of businesses, ownership of assets, ownership of investments. And those who do often end up with significantly more financial freedom over time. The irony is that many people wait for the perfect moment to start. They believe they need more money, more knowledge, more confidence. But the perfect moment rarely arrives, and waiting has a hidden cost. Every year delayed is another year compounding cannot work for you. That's why starting small is infinitely better than never starting at all, because momentum matters more than perfection. Now, let's be realistic. Investing $1 a day alone probably won't make you a millionaire, but that's not really the point. The point is what the habit becomes over time: the discipline, the consistency, the mindset. Those things can eventually become life-changing, because wealth isn't usually built through one massive action. It's built through small actions repeated for decades. Look at financially successful people. Many didn't start with huge amounts of money. They started with good habits, living below their means, investing consistently, thinking long-term, avoiding unnecessary debt, making decisions their future selves would benefit from. None of these habits look exciting in the short term, but together they can completely change someone's financial future. And perhaps that's the biggest lesson of all. Most people underestimate small daily decisions: a dollar spent here, a dollar wasted there, a small habit repeated over years. But life often changes through tiny actions that compound over time. Health works this way.
Relationships work this way, and wealth works this way too. So how much would you have if you invested $1 a day? Financially, maybe more than you expect, but psychologically, potentially something far more valuable. You'd have proof that you're thinking differently than most people, proof that you're prioritizing the future, proof that you're building discipline, and proof that you understand something most people don't. Wealth rarely begins with large amounts of money. It usually begins with small amounts of consistency. Because the first dollar isn't powerful because of its value, it's powerful because of the habit it creates. And sometimes, that single habit can change your entire future.